I'm in the backyard. Here's the back door. It's a pretty good sized backyard. It's nice that the house is all brick. I don't see any gutters on the house. Just something that you'd probably want to do to protect the basement. The roof on the shed carport looks older. The roof on the house looks newer. Definitely needs some work back here, but it's not bad for a rental. Pretty little lilac bush in the back. I'm going to be quiet again, and I'm going to let you listen to this highway again, because ultimately that is my biggest disclaimer. It feels like it's right on top of you when you're this close.